It is Monday, the 6th of May. And if you're interested, you could see that we are working on the emotional support chicken. And this chicken right here was knit by Susie right there. Now this is a king size chicken.
Queen
right?
size.
Queen, yeah. Oh, actually, we've named her, Susie, the name?
This is Livin' Large Lucille.
Livin' Large Lucille. That's our model. That's our go-to person. Ray is working on her chicken.
Yes.
What color is your chicken?
My chicken's going to be gray speckled.
All right, awesome.
With orange.
Shirley, we have to get yours. Shirley is new. She's going to join us in 5 minutes. She picked out a Malabrigo Rios in 2 colors. And you're excited?
I am very excited.
I'm
about
so excited.
My emotional chicken.
I know. Well, obviously, we all need emotional support. All right, so Amy is doing her emotional chicken in Rios with orange accents.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. This is Paige, Amy's daughter, and Paige is doing it in this beautiful, that's actually the same thing that Shirley's going to do. Beautiful Rios, and her stripes are going to be, woo, I love the green. And Sandy down here, you also can do a crochet chicken. Sandy is our token crocheter, and she is working, oh, look at all the colors you got going on, girl.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so are you absolutely copying this?
I'm
So this
going
is the
that
crochet
route.
pattern, so she's going to do it just like the pattern. And Allison is, of course, meeting the challenge because the grandson, Charlie, wants a duck and not a chicken. And so she has drawn a chicken. She's drawn a duck on the chicken. And that's Allison. So creative. It's awesome. All right, it's all good. We're meeting on Mondays from 1 to 3 for the month of May, right?
May Day.
You can get a lot of chickens done. This chicken is my chicken right here. And I think I'm going to do green stripes and I don't know what else. All right, you didn't see me tonight. You just saw the chicken table. And this is the chicken table. And yeah. Oh, the flock. Yes, we are a flock. This is the flock of chicken, emotional support chickens. And you notice how calm everybody is? It's because we're working on our emotional support chickens. All right, Lucille, it's been real.